Hi students, today I am going to explain you word problems. The question must be arising in your mind. What is word problem? Word problem क्या है? First tell me, what do we do in maths? Maths में क्या करते हैं हम लोग? We solve sums. हम लोग sums solve करते हैं. So like that, the sums that are given in sentence form. The sums that are given in sentence form are called word problems. So, let's see how we solve mathematics in our daily life. 1. In a park, Simmi counted 132 red flowers and Arohi counted 128 yellow flowers. Who counted more flowers? You have to compare the flowers, number of flowers. Simi counted how many? 132 and Arohi counted 128. So as we know how we compare the numbers, so let's start comparing. At 100 place, both the numbers have same digit. So start comparing at tens place. At tens place, both the numbers have different digits. In this number 3 and here in this number 2 digit. So which is more? Which is greater? 3 is greater than 2. So which number is greater? 132 is greater. So who counted more flowers? As we know 132 greater than 128. So who counted more flowers? Simmi. Simmi counted more flowers. Understand? Honey has 23 marbles. How many marbles honey has? 23. And how many more marbles does she need to make 12 pairs? As we know, 23 is a odd number and we can't make pairs of it. So, let's see how many pairs we can make with 23 marbles. Here, picture is given. Here, pairs of marbles are given here. Okay, let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, we can make only 11 pairs with 23 marbles and 1 marble will be left. So, to make 12 pairs बनाने के लिए how many marbles we need? कितने marble चाहिए? We need only 1 marble. Okay. How many marbles we need? We need only 1 marble. So to make 12 pairs, she need 1 more marbles. उसे एक और marble चाहिए 12 pair बनाने के लिए. Understand? Now let's understand with another problem. Kriti has 23 coins. How many coins Kriti has? Kriti has 23 coins. How many coins? 23 coins. She gave 3 coins to her brother. वो 3 coins किसको देती है? अपने brother को. So we have to subtract 3 with 23. Okay? 23 minus 3 and we get 20. So how many pairs of coins are left with Kriti? कृति के पास कितने पेयर्स बचे? हाउ कैन वी नो पेयर्स? 2 into we know in pairs 2 things are there, so we can multiply 2 into 10 equal to 20 and we get how many pairs? We get 10 pairs. Okay, so how many pairs of coins are left with Kriti? 10 pairs of coins left with Kriti. 10 pairs of coins left with Kriti. 10 pair of coins left with Kriti. So, let's start doing another word problem. Let's solve these word problems. Asu and Mishu were counting cars on their way to school. School जाने समय आसू और मिशु क्या कर रहे थे? कार काउंट कर रहे थे. ओके, द नंबर ऑफ कार्स दे काउंटेड वाज मोर देन 135. जो वो कार काउंट किए वो मोर देन 135, 135 से ज़्यादा था बट लेस देन 140. How many cars did they count? And you have to say how many cars did they count. Here is a clue for you. The numbers was an odd number ending with 7. जो आंसर हमारा आएगा वो क्या है, वो एक ऑड नंबर होगा एंड एंडिंग विथ 7, 7 से एंड होगा वो. तो द नंबर ऑफ कार्स दे काउंटेड मोर देन 135, 135 से ज़्यादा था एंड लेस देन 140. और क्लू क्या है, व्हाट इज द क्लू? द क्लू इज गिवन हियर दैट नंबर विल बी ऑड नंबर. वो नंबर क्या होगा, ऑड नंबर होगा. वो नंबर 3 डिजिट नंबर होगा. ओके, एंड एंड विथ 7, 7 से एंड होगा. सो बिटवीन 135 एंड 140 द नंबर विल बी 137. द नंबर विल बी 137. So Ashu and Mishu counted how many cars? 137. 137. Now next problem is Sam had even number of crayons. Amanpreet had odd number of crayons. Who out of the two, इन दोनों में से सैम और अमनप्रीत में से can form pairs, कौन पेयर बना सकता है? As we know, we can make pair with even numbers only. Okay, and who has even number of crayons? Sam has even number of crayons. Then who can make pairs? Sam can form pairs. Then here you have to write Sam. क्या लिखोगे आप यहाँ? Sam can form pairs. Okay, this question we solved. Now next question. Sony had 11 toffees. How many more toffees does she need to make 7 pairs? She have to make how many pairs? 7 pairs. But how many toffees she had? She had 11 toffees. As we know, we can't make pairs with odd numbers. And 11 is a odd number. 11 क्या है? Odd number है. So how many toffees she need to make 7 pairs? So she need how many toffees to make how many 7 pairs? So 7 pairs we can multiply with 2. 7 pairs multiply 2, we can get 14. 14 is the even number. So how many toffees she need to make 7 pairs? She had, how many toffees she had now? 11 toffees. And to make 7 pairs, we need 14 toffees. Okay, so how many more toffees she need to make 7 pairs? She need 3 toffees. कितनी टॉफी चाहिए उसको? सोनी को कितनी टॉफी चाहिए 7 पेयर्स बनाने के लिए? 3 और टॉफी चाहिए. ठीक है, she needs 3 more toffees to make 7 pairs. Okay, now here you have to write Sony needs 3 more toffees. 3 more toffees. How many more toffees does she need? Then Sony needs 3 toffees more to make 7 pairs. Understand? Now next, Prachi has 165 stamps. प्राची के पास कितने स्टैम्प्स हैं? 165. Sonam has 178 stamps. Sonali has 139 stamps. Who among the 3 has more stamps? And the another question, who out of the 3 can form pairs? इन तीनों में से कौन pairs बना सकता है? Let's start. Prachi has how many stamps? 165 stamps. Prachi has how many stamps? 165. Next, Sonam has 100. क्या है सोनम के पास कितने स्टैम्प्स हैं? 178. And Sonali has 139. Now, the first question is, who among the three has more stamps? इन तीनों में से किसके पास सबसे ज्यादा stamps है? Now, the smallest number is 139 and the greatest number among three is 178. So, who has more stamps? Sonam has more stamps, 178. Now, we have to find who out of the three can form pairs. इन तीनों में से pairs कौन बना सकता है? As we know, we can make pairs with even numbers, right? And 165 is odd number. 139 is also odd number. So, 178 is only the even numbers and we can make pairs with 178. So, start writing here. Which number is greater? 178 is greater than 165 and 165 is greater than 139. And here you have to write who dash has more stamps. Dash has more stamps. Who has more stamps? Sonam has. Who has more stamps? Sonam. So, here you have to write Sonam. And dash can form pairs. Who can form pairs? As we know, 178 is even number. So, we can make pairs only with even numbers. So, here we have to write Sonam can form pairs. Sonam can form pairs. So, I hope you all have understood. Students, remember one thing. Before solving the word problem, you have to read the question 2 to 3 times, okay? 2 to 3 times you have to read. And if you understand the word problem properly, then you can solve the sums easily. So, thank you students.